Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another cake recipe. On this baking vlog, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate banana cake. If you want an easy and delicious chocolate banana cake, you gotta try my recipe. So keep on watching and I'll show you how to make it. So yes guys, first thing we're gonna do is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then prepare the baking pan. So I have here a 9x9 square cake pan. And I'm just going to add a little bit of oil and brush it all over the pan. Brush the bottom and the side of the pan just to make sure no delicious cake batter will stick. I'm just removing some excess oil using a paper towel. Next, I'm going to sift all the dry ingredients using a strainer over a mixing bowl. I have here 2 cups of flour. And I'm just going to sift to remove any lumps. Now, I'm adding 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just sift all the rest of the dry ingredients to remove any powder lumps. Sifting helps to combine everything evenly before mixing them with other ingredients. Now I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. And grab your whisk and just whisk the dry ingredients until well combined. And just set it aside for later use. And into another bowl, I'm going to mash 2 ripe bananas. On this cake recipe, I want my banana as soft, mushy, and brown because it's more sweeter. So using a fork, I'm going to mash them. Don't over mash the banana. We want a banana bits in our cake. On this recipe, we also need 2 large eggs. Half a cup of oil, a cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the wet ingredients until well blended. Now we're going to start making our cake batter by mixing the dry ingredients into our wet ingredients gradually. Just mix it slowly so that our flour mixture will not fly out from the bowl. Add the last batch of our dry ingredients and mix them until well incorporated or until all the dry ingredients totally disappear. transfer our cake batter into our prepared pan. Just level the butter as even as possible. And just give it a top to remove air bubbles. And this will go to our preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And here's our chocolate banana cake baked for 40 minutes. This cake is best to serve with a good warm cup of coffee or a cup of tea. And as usual, keeping some to share to my colleagues at work. And of course, keeping for my family too. Hope you guys will give this recipe a try, and if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!